Yo, free online moneymaker, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on? Happy Cash Out Friday. You know how we do today. You know how we do. I'm on my third cash out. I got about 5, 6. I got 7 accounts open right now. So like we gonna work, people. We're gonna work. I'm gonna have the new app. I'm gonna have a new app for everybody tomorrow. So we could grind out another app you could add to your arsenal. I hope everybody's going through the step 1 through 9 beginner's blueprint. All right, so I gotta really put these together. I'm telling you, this is too powerful. $5 a day is extremely powerful. So imagine you're making $10, $15, $20 extra every single day. It's gonna change your life. Imagine the feeling not living check to check anymore. So you have to understand the opportunity is now, and y'all gotta get on it. Y'all have to get on it. All right, we're gonna do another $20 cash out real quick. All right, like I said, I got two I got two accounts going, people. I got 2 watch and earns right here. I just went to my app trailers. I'm about to say, what happened? It froze. Just went to my app trailers on my other one. All right, so let me get this one going. And you know how I do. I gotta have my videos playing. I gotta have everything in motion. All right, I'm gonna come back here. I gotta have everything in motion. Like I said, this is an old phone that I had. You see what I'm saying? So it's still working until it's gonna die out and break. I'm gonna just use it. All right, so it's up to you. Go to app trailers. All you gotta do is go to you're gonna go to watching. You're gonna go watch videos. You're gonna go to rapid reviews. I mean. Try to hit a different one every time you start it up, but just pick any one and just gonna go. All right, so that's it. So you gotta be on it on an everyday basis. All right, I went the wrong place. I was supposed to go to rewards right here. Let's go to rewards, cash out real quick. Cash out $20. I don't know if you seen my video earlier, but I cashed out $20 earlier because I didn't cash out the last 2 days. And this 20 is going to be for today. So I'm just about a good $12, $13 a day. So six surveys is going to get you $4. 6 surveys is going to get you $5. All right, 6 surveys, $5. 12 surveys, $10. 18 surveys, $15 a day. 24 surveys, that's your mark. That's the mark you really want to, because that's when you know you're really making some impact right there. If you could do 24 surveys in one day, every single day, it doesn't have to be the same, because you could do some surveys that are so easy and they're less money and they're faster. You know what I'm saying? So as long as you get the 24 80-cent surveys, that's a good $20 a day. You know, assuming you're running your videos, you're getting your daily badge, you're getting your promo codes, you're doing what you got to do. And imagine if you're just using your apps. Like, see, right now we're doing this, and you just got to keep using your apps. Make sure you hear the money coming in. Make sure you take advantage of this. Take advantage. All right. You see, I got the perk right here. The perk plastic. So let's cash out, people. Let's cash out. I'm gonna cash out. I'm gonna cash out Prize Rebel, and I'm gonna cash out Offer Nation, and I'm gonna cash out perk plastic. All right. So we got 3 cash outs to do right now. It's gonna be 5 cash outs today. Very, very strong day, but it's really a stronger day because I didn't cash out the last 2 days. So if you want to, you could kind of take off 20. You see what I'm saying, for the last 2 days, but it's still a good day. Still a pretty good day. We're gonna see what we got going with the perk. I'm mad my videos are not playing here. Cash out real quick. Claim this item. Okay. Like I say, y'all see me grinding. I be trying to tell y'all, break time I'm doing surveys. I'm not sitting there doing nothing. On my break at work, I'm doing surveys. You see I got the videos playing. Get your perk card. It's free. It's absolutely free. Get your perk card. You do not have to share. Remember, you just hit X. You do not have to share. Alright, let me zoom in here for y'all. So like I said, it's on an every single day basis if you want. Like I said, I missed 2 days, so I put this right here for the last 2 days. And this is for the 4th, which is today. Alright, so tomorrow I gotta grind. I gotta get up on here and I gotta grind. Tonight I'm gonna grind, actually. What time is it? It's early. I'm gonna watch the game and I'm gonna grind. I'm gonna get my points on perk while I'm watching the game. And I'm gonna be doing my surveys while I'm on the couch, watching my little man. Like, I do this every day. I'm trying to tell you, once you get a rhythm, they're not gonna be as difficult as you seem. It might be like, oh, it's gonna take so long to do 24 surveys a day. No, it's not. I'm telling you, because for some reason it's like the more you do, the easier they get. You know, it's like you're a trusted member. All right, check up here. See my points on Slice the Pie. I'm doing a little something. Like I said, I'll be so busy, so I just do a little bit here and there. Got $4.09 and cash out at $10. I cash this out tonight too if I would just sit here and just really get up on here. A quick 30 minutes, 40 minutes, I could probably get $5 on here. So Slice the Pie is really lucrative. I gotta get on that. Watch my tutorial. Watch my Slice the Pie tutorial. Get a bonus when you sign up. Don't just sign up and not get a bonus now, people. All right. Look at my pay view points. All right, one of the best ever. $12.79. I got a survey waiting right here. I'm gonna bang that survey out. All right, let me go to my earnings, show you the stats. Look, it's beautiful. Why not? It's free. All this is free. On my spare time, it's not like I have to stop doing something to do something else. It's free, all free. So I gotta really use it. I'm gonna hurry up and come in here and do this survey right here. Hurry up and bang this survey out as soon as possible. See if I can bang that survey out. Where am I at? Slice the Pie. I gotta do some more on Slice the Pie. Cashed out on Prize Rebel. I can X this out. Offer Nation. Like I said, y'all gotta stay. It's a lot, but once you start getting used to it, it's gonna be so easy to juggle them. This is what I'm trying to tell you. And you have to really ask yourself, what else you're doing on your spare time? What are you really doing in your spare time? If you can make $5 a day, if you can make $10 a day, and $10 a day is gonna get you $10 a day is gonna get you $3,600 a year, people. All right. So it's really up to you on how much. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? $3,600 a year. If you do $10 a day every single day, so it's an extra $3,600 in your pocket. Remember that, people. $10 a day, extra $3,600. All right. You could times that by 2 if you do $20 a day. So stay focused. Don't think that this money's not adding up. All right. Let me go to convert my points. $2.08. 208 points, 31. And like I said, for this one, I just come in here. I be putting 15 cents, 30 cents, a quarter. Sometimes I put $1 in here. I don't have time to just be sitting here, and that's why I sprinkle a little bit in every single app and site that I have. And I have one, which is my Prize Rebel, that I do the most because I need to have at least one cashing out every single day. Then the rest, I don't really mind. But if I want to, I could come to Offer Nation and I could get busy. I get $5 and cash out every day if I want to. You see what I'm saying? So it's really up to you and how you're using your time and what you're really focusing on and what are you trying to really get done. Have realistic time frames, people. Make sure you have realistic time frame, because there's gonna be a certain point in time where you're gonna need money to invest. Remember, I'm trying to change trade everybody from consumers to investors. All right. Let's convert to cash. Ooh, look at this. Looks so beautiful. $7.34. Beautiful. All right, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It says cash out. Click that. One click of a button. Withdraw. It's going to PayPal. Very, very lucrative. This is very good for overseas members too. Any overseas members, you could jump on this one and jump on SuperPay. SuperPay is real good because you change the language. Very, very good. So that's Offer Nation. I'm gonna go to Perk, my Perk Classic. Okay, about $7, $6 some change. Wait, I'm doing something now. Let's see how much points I got here. I've been slacking tapping this tablet right here. And the only reason I keep doing these videos, I'm just trying to show you the power. If you could be able to just do this anytime you want, like literally, you know, at the pace that I am at, I could just cash out every single day. You know that. I could cash out every single day in multiple sites. Every day I can do this. Multiple sites. But I just, you got life, so sometimes you be doing different things. But if you really need this money, you really need to get things done, you could do this. Look. The points are just piling. Yeah, it's only 2 points, but it's in my spare time. I'm waiting in line at the grocery store. I'm pulling this out. On my break time at work, I'm pulling this out. Why not? You see what I'm saying? Why not? Make money on your spare time. This is what I'm trying to teach everybody. I want everybody on the right path. I want everybody on the right mind frame. All right, let me jump on my tablet here so I could cash out with the Perk Plastic. Show you how smooth, easy. It's gonna just send me a nice little code to my It's gonna send me a nice code to my to my phone. And all I gotta do is put the code in. I can transfer these points right to the debit card. Very, very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Press OK. Sign up. Oh, I'm supposed to put login. I think I was supposed to put login. My bad. Oh, it went in anyway? Okay, it went in. Beautiful. X this out. Why'd that go away? Why'd that screen go away? I need that screen. Come back, screen. There you go. I need this screen. Alright. Move this up a little bit. My bad. Shaky video. Shaky. Alright. Here we go. $46.80. This is, oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help everybody. Stay-at-home moms. Y'all have to get on this. Look at this. Look. Just every day. Just put $1, $2 every day. You got kids. This is allowance all day right here. This is allowance money. This is all allowance money. So you just take your time and get with it. Why not? Okay, so you can see I could do it every day if I want, but you know, let it build up to whenever I think about it, then I'm like, let me cash out. So now I'm about to put $6 on top of this, which is gonna be $52.80. All right. Oh, I didn't even remember how much I cashed out. I cashed out 7 in my other account. This is 6 now. I think it should. How much is 75? I still don't have enough. No, I need 77. You need 7,700. You need 7,700 points to cash out $7. So my bad for the zoom out. So on this one I'm gonna let me add my points real quick. Let me add this money on here. So you just all you gotta do is go to add. Let me add a 5 and a 1 because I ain't got 7,700 yet. So add this. It's gonna send me. I gotta put my phone number in. Put my number in. SMS. Yeah, SMS it. SMS that. It should come in on my phone right now. There it goes. 4621. And I do this to show you how smooth it is, so when you start cashing out, you can see.